The second thing that I'll be showing is how to make a crossover with a UTP cable. The first thing to do is cut the cable. Same process for the then strip the cable jacket. Next is untwist and arrange wires. We will insert the RJ45. This is the end one. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. The next is we will trim the wires and insert the wires into the crimping tools. We will proceed to the end two. Same process for the end one. Orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. We'll use the tester to test this cable to ensure that the crossover cable is functioning correctly and that all connections are properly made. By following those steps, you will have a successfully created a crossover and straight through UTP cable with RJ45 connectors. Thank you for watching.